Welcome back to PMart. Today we have the Telesin Master Grip for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Take your pictures and filming to the next level. Get a full grip on your phone. Have the buttons conveniently next to you with a 2-stage shutter, zoom lever, custom key, mode dial, even a thumb rest. An app control to customize more. Enhance your photo or tweak it out any way you want. Easily just slaps on your phone using that MagSafe capability. With strong magnets, you don't necessarily have to worry about it falling out. Even comes with a wrist strap just for like peace of mind. Not only this is a grip, it has a battery inside so you can wireless charge your phone while you're recording for more playtime. We got the creator combo that comes with a UV filter and a magnetic selfie light, brighten up those pictures or videos. Put a link down below for the updated price, and if you want to save a little bit of money, we'll put a discount code below. So let's open it. This is what the packaging looks like. Now this is the creator combo. The difference between this and the standard, it comes with a selfie light and a UV filter. Inside the box, we got the case. We'll check this one out later. Manual instruction guide. Oh wow, it even comes with a screen protector. I didn't know that. An install tray to make it even easier. Cleaning kit and microfiber cloth. The wrist strap and the USB-C to C cable. Magnetic selfie light. UV filter. And then we have the Master Grip. Nice, good amount of weight to this. Made out of alloy. Do like that. You got the silicone grip. You get a good hold, and inside this you have a 3200 milliamp battery. Also, you could just wireless charge it here. We'll check the strength of that magnet later. And you have all these buttons conveniently placed. You got a 2-stage shutter, zoom level, custom key, mode dial. You even have a thumb rest. This is eco-friendly organic silicone leather, soft and grippy without it being kind of sticky. At the bottom, you got the charging light, the USB-C port, power switch, wrist strap, and universal 1/4 thread. Then we have the case. I do like how it's a little bit close here rather than just having this all the way open, because with the new iPhone 17 Pro Max, it's a little too exposed for me. On the side, you got holes here for the lanyard. You got the on and off button. Then you got a camera control cutout. Opposite side, action button, volume rockers. We'll check if it's clicky later. And this one right here is just fully exposed at the bottom. Wish that this was a little bit more closed. Another thing I like about this, that graphene cooling system with the 7600mm square heatsink backplate that snaps on magnetically, dissipates heat 2 times faster than the standard cases. And you're gonna need this for this power-hungry phone. So with that battery, gives you that 55% a little bit more boost, so you're gonna need it. The UV filter, I believe this is made out of alloy. It easily just slides in your case. Now it's actually magnetic too, so you don't have to worry about sliding off or flying off. So you can see it holds. Let's take this off. You got the MagSafe magnets, also that alignment at the bottom. You have this hole here for more cooling. Just a quick look of their screen protector. It has a black bar surrounding it. And your easy install tray. Just go ahead and put it on the case. Start at the bottom first since there's a big opening. And then just work your way up. Put it on. This is what the case looks like. You have an exposed bottom here. I do wish that this is closed. You have a camera control cutout, which this is also has a camera control button that you got the on and off. Holes for the lanyards, both sides. Here's a camera bezel. I do like how it's a little bit covered here because most cases this is still open. Could easily scratch it. See if it's high enough to protect those lenses. Yep. Here's the other side. Let's try the buttons. Yeah, that's very clicky. Action button. Works. On and off. Same. Clicky. You could actually use this as a regular case too if you want. Got the Telesin name. Same material as this grip here. You got the magnets right in the middle. You got these slots here for like ventilation. Here's what the face looks like. Let's go ahead and get the grip. Take this off. You put it both portrait like that. Good hold. Or have it landscape. Just slap it in there. Look at that. Get a good grip on that. Because most of the time I hold my phone this way when I'm recording. It does get cramp in time. You do get fatigue. You do both hands. But with the grip, it's a lot better. This one's way more ergonomic. You got your full hand in here rather than just your fingers holding it this way. Get a full grip. Let's go put on their accessory. This is the magnetic selfie light. In the back, you got this rubber so it doesn't scratch your grip. Open it up like a clamshell. You have your face here. Hello. Take this out so it's nice and clear so you can see yourself there while you're turning on the light. Battery bar on the side. To turn it on, just go ahead and press it. And to turn it up, you just swipe left to right or up and down to lower it down. If you want like a different color, more of a white color look, or you want it just kind of yellow, more of a warm color. So just put it on your grip. Now this actually rotates. Put it on you. You can see yourself. Hello everybody. And then just twist it. Put it down and then turn it off. Then you have the USB-C port to charge it. Let's just check the strength of this magnet. I'm gonna already exaggerate this. I know you're not gonna be filming like this, but if you can handle this, up and down, random, circle, as strong magnets. Try it portrait style, slap it in there, up and down, out, random. Yeah, strong magnets. But if you still want to be paranoid, you can't put the wrist strap on the Master Grip, even on the case. Feed it through, now you got the wrist strap. What about the selfie light? Come off. Twist. Strong magnets too. What about with the UV filter? Let's see. Is it gonna slide off? Come on. Come up. Okay, it's good too. Just look at this rig that we have here. You got the selfie light, the filter, and the grip. Kind of have a similar feel to like a DSLR. Definitely taking it up to the next level. Let's go ahead, pair it. Go ahead, connect it, press this button, hold it for 3 seconds. There you go, Telesin IP right here. Pair it. Let's enable the zoom settings. Go to accessibility. Go to zoom. Click it on. Just a note, if you're fully zoomed in, you want to zoom out, just tap 3 fingers twice, and you go back to your normal screen. Turn dial, you could go left and right. Let's try portrait style first. You can zoom in and out. So this one, zoom in, zoom out. Pretty cool. I'm gonna take a photo, press the red button. Show you real quick. So if you want to go to like photo, video, you do the wheel here. Let's go with photo. And if you want to zoom in and out, go here, zoom out, take a photo, red button. Cool. Let's try the recording. Press the red button to capture it, record it, the lever to zoom in and out, and then the exposure for the wheel. If you need a light, turn this on. You have a rubber material here so it doesn't scratch the back of your case. Let's just say you want to charge, you want more juice in there, just go ahead and attach it and press the button here at the bottom. You also have a battery bar here to know how much charge you have. One for screw at the bottom in case you want to put it on a stand. Technically, you use this as a case, also a MagSafe capable, so you put in like your wallet, it would still work. Even has the alignment at the bottom. You can also download the Reeve Color Telesin app. So let's take a picture and zoom in. Oh, that's too much. At the bottom here, you can just try different filters if you want. Has, FSA, Leica, or if you want, you can use the wheel. Just kind of scroll. Of course, you can take that photo, Polaroid style. On the top, you just want to change different aspect ratio. Click that way, this one, this one. So that's Telesin Master Grip for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Step up your video creation. Great for the vloggers or for the creatives just in general. Makes it more convenient with that Master Grip. Strong magnets, your phone case won't really fall off. Comes with your matching case, adjustable selfie light. And with that 2-stage shutter, zoom lever, custom key, mode dial, makes it a lot more easier for you to film. We also have a discount code if you want to save a couple of bucks. We'll put a link down below. Let us know if you have any questions. Subscribe and stay positive.